So welcome to QXNews, and today we have a very special guest, Mr. Abba,
Yes.
right? Hi, Mr. Abba.
Yeah. Hi, Ravi. Nice
And
to meet
here we go, Mr. Clock, and he's in a very great as I know Mr. Clock is well known about the Superman. And so before the previous video I saw you I already verified their physical presence. They are based in Hanoi. So Vatek company is a big, quite established company last 7 years, and hope I'm right, Mr. Abba, right?
Yes, 7 years ago.
So Mr. Abba is holding a good position here as a CEO as well as a business director.
Yep.
Yep. So Mr. Abba, please introduce our audience and about your journey, 7 years journey, and how you established and how you passed by the COVID time too.
Yeah, all right. Hello, everybody. My name is Alba, and right now I am the CEO and the business director at Vatek Asia. We started Vatek since 2017, about 7 years ago. From the beginning, we just have only 4 people.
Wow.
And all of us is software engineer at this time. In the first time, we working as a freelance team, and we do outsourcing for India company first and the Pakistan company.
Yeah. Sounds interesting. Please.
In the 19 COVID, the company worldwide, they have some problem with on-site engineer who working in the company. So that's why they are looking in offshore development team. Maybe they finding some country like India, Mexico, Ukraine, and the price is quietly too high with the remote working model.
Yeah.
So that is why they are looking in the APAC region. So they find about Vietnam, Indonesia, Philippines, Malaysia.
Malaysia, okay.
Yes, and that is why I can say in the 2019, we are growing fast in the IT outsourcing industry.
So yeah, I was curious, why they choose you? There are couple of is it other companies in the market, right? But why they choose you specially? So what is your special about?
Do you mean about special with Vietnamese company or just special in Vatek?
In worldwide, please.
Worldwide?
Yeah, of course.
Most of the client come to Vietnam. They are in the Asian more than in the European marketplace. And I think it's about the time zone is not so much different, and the working culture. We have a same point like this. In the Japanese people, they are looking to work with company in Vietnam because Vietnamese people is very hard working, and the good diplomatic relationship between Vietnam and Japanese. So this is the first client of Vietnam company. And the second after Japanese, when we have the market, when we can get the Japanese market right, we looking forward to expand our markets and providing our service. So we think about the China, we think about Korea, we think about Australia. Yeah, and some country in Asia, because the time zone is the same, and the culture and the people also, because Vietnamese people is working in Korea, Japan, Singapore is very much. So that is why it's more easier for us to work with Asian client more than in the European client.
Oh, that's amazing. But recently I seen many people, they are shifted to Dubai as well as from Vietnam. So are you planning to?
I'm not sure about this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, and as you mentioned before me, you already have few clients in Europe as well, right?
Yes. From the client in Europe, most of them it came from our own network when we are learning. My CEO about his learning in he learned it in French.
In French.
Yeah, in
Okay.
French, and he and our delivery manager, he working for IBM in Australia.
Oh, IBM was recently making a quantum computer.
Yeah, so that is why they have many connection in the European, and time by time when their friend is growing up and they have good position in the other company, they remember about us and
Yeah,
they're
with the
asking us
companies.
for cooperate with their company. That's why we get some client in the European and from the reference of the old client to the new client.
Oh, that's amazing. Like you are doing so well so far.
Yes,
So, what is it about? Let's go with some profile here,
yes.
please.
Yeah. Okay. So I hope that I'm still loud enough. Yeah.
Yeah, I believe so.
You want to?
Yeah, he can have it. Thank you, Mr. Abang.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. I think yeah. Good to go.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So as Abba said, we are Vatek and we have around like 7 years in this field right now. And at the moment we have like around 150 employees right now. Yeah. As you
Okay.
can see on the screen, and we have done I think quite numerous projects like around like 500 and more.
Wow,
Still
they done
going.
like 500 plus projects.
Yeah.
That's amazing count number actually, guys.
Okay. So as you can see here, our mission here is to become a top IT company in Vietnam, and with the main goal is provide IT solution and SaaS software as a service. Yep. And the reason why, yeah, some like advantage or the reason why you should choose us is, yeah, we're young, and as you know, the young people they have the fire in the spirit,
Yes, more ideas,
Yeah,
more
they're
innovations.
dedicated, yeah, and they're willing to learn. Yes, and our flexibility, which mean here is not only about the pricing but also about the working time, and we're willing to follow the customer requirement. Yeah, no strict rule here. Just as you good, we good. No problem with that.
Sounds good.
And our collaboration model, and as I should say, is about what we provide our service here. Once it project based, or I say in another way, is software development service. Yeah. And another one is offshore development center, or I say in another way is IT staff augmentation. Yeah.
Okay.
And
I have one like
any question?
yeah, like why Vatek? What is behind
Vatek?
yeah, why?
Vatek meaning the valuation of technology.
Okay, valuation of technology.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, please. Sorry, I was curious about
Yeah,
why
yeah.
Vatek.
Any question anytime, no problem.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're flexible. Yeah. So this is what some of our tech stack, and what we offer to the client, like web development, mobile development, or another some other service like DevOps or cloud service. Yeah. And about our delivery process.
So when you mention about service, offering service, I've been through your website. You also mentioning about the like you're also working on Web3 projects, blockchain projects,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, like how many projects and how many like clients you already work for on based on AI or blockchain?
AI and blockchain. Right?
Yes.
About the blockchain, um, we do not have too much client in blockchain project. Most
Okay.
of the blockchain opportunity that we get is like dedicated team.
Oh, delegate team.
Yeah.
That's also amazing. Like delegate team is also amazing. Like
Yeah.
long term relation with the clients, right?
Yeah. So we do not outsource blockchain project. We just have some few like some trending like the fitness app.
Yeah, fitness app,
Fitness app
gyms.
with the AI,
Uh-huh.
and the people can check what they are doing, and their body position is bad or good.
Okay.
Right? And some of like the in if you know about the K-pop service in Korea,
Mhm.
yeah, we are making a marketplace by creating idol image by NFT.
By NFT. Oh, by NFT. That sounds interesting.
Yeah.
So, okay. One more thing I want to ask you, like in the middle of our presentation here, like you mentioned about your work with AI a lot, right? So, I believe that that AI implemented by AI, that they your clients solve a lot of problems or a lot of operation, right?
Yes.
So, it is like successful AI projects, right?
Yes, we have many successful AI projects because one of reason why Vatek is very good in AI engineer, AI technology because in Korea many AI startup and we have many projects regarding the AI solution, AI implementation, and AI training came from Korea.
That's great. So, do you have any like one word or two word for the like startup companies? Why they need to choose AI operations?
Uh, I think because AI will be the future of technology. If you remember, about more than 10 years ago, when people were talking about the cloud service,
Oh yeah,
yeah, no, not too much anybody want to put their data
data on cloud.
Like, why I get my data to the third party to
That's correct. Yeah.
yeah, right. And now it came back with like AI. Why I need to believe in computer will solve every problem for me. Like that AI can real coding or like what. But by the AI technology, it's so many problem for people, and
Yes.
we can see that the hospital and some education company or the government
Government.
of every country they are using AI
AI.
into every
Sectors.
part of life.
Yes.
So that is why we're choosing AI like a main focus in technology and service.
So I believe you're best in to making AI operations as well. Like you're also best in that. I believe so. So they can, if anybody want to work with any AI, so you maybe you're using a couple of languages like Python, ML, right?
Python, ML, and the TensorFlow and some of stuff like that.
Sounds interesting.
Actually, we have a small lab just only focusing on AI researching.
Oh, so you are also doing R&D on AI.
Yeah.
Please point that point.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay. So about we have international recognition here, like you can see ISO certification and PMP as well. Yeah, and this is somehow.
Can you zoom in this from certificate, sir?
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
people can see. Yeah.
Yeah,
So they are well certificate with the IUSO as well.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Yes,
And yeah, please. They are like a VT bank clients
Yeah,
on their
some
on
of our-
board. So you can see they are like they work with the retail as well. They are well known in Vietnam. So it is like you can say that they are well established here as in Hanoi, and as well as they have one or more office in Saigon. And of course, they are like more wide in the worldwide, and they have few more like offshore office in Korea,
Yeah.
and
Just starting in Hanoi and in Korea.
so maybe they are coming in maybe in Dubai or Europe side as well.
Oh, at this time we have some new client came from Dubai and some UAE country like Saudi Arabia and Qatar as well.
Okay, so they already have few plans there. Yeah, that's interesting.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah.
If you can see on the client and partner, I want to effective some like AIA and the FWD.
FWD, right? This
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, FWD. FWD is we are working for FWD in Hong Kong. Yeah, and AIA is AIA in Australia. We have been working with them for 4 years, and right now we are still maintaining and supporting their system. Most is the payment
Payment
system.
gateways.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, good. So as you can see here, some our case study and our successful project. Yeah.
So yeah, seeing health, right? So I believe that's mostly health related projects. Mostly are founded in this mostly the clients coming from Canada, Europe. They are more into the wealth industry as well, health industry.
Yeah.
Okay, so this project where it based, like it is Singapore, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys.
Singapore is one of the first country looking for outsourcing to Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Yeah.
Because Singapore is a kind of IT hub too.
Yes,
Right. But still they are looking like Vietnam as a like first place.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Especially with tech companies.
I have many friends in Singapore. Indian friend, Chinese friend, and some European friends.
European friends.
They are come to Singapore and make their own startup in the technology field. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you come to Singapore, you can see many IT
IT companies, yeah. They registered there mostly.
Yeah, and they're very hardworking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, this is one of our kind of say like one of the biggest clients we have right now is Yokogawa. Yeah.
Okay.
Yokogawa is one of our biggest clients. They are an electric corporation in
Japan.
and they have more than 100 years old.
Oh,
Yeah.
100 years old. You're working for one company which is already established 100 years old, guys. And that's amazing.
Yeah. So with so this
Order Buddy.
yeah. That's one. This one we work for. Yeah, in Australia.
Australia company.
Yeah.
So as you see, they work a lot of companies in worldwide, Japan, Australia, Singapore as well.
Yeah.
So you can see like even you can go with that project. You can see how they work about on that project, and maybe if you have any requirements, I will put Mr. Abba and Mr. Clark link in my description, so you can contact them directly, and they will help you for any projects which is related to the of course technology.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah. So about
So it's almost done, right?
Yeah. Yeah, as you can see here, we have some more project as well. Yeah.
So they done like multi projects already. So as they mentioned, they already done 500 plus projects.
Yeah.
I'm correct, Mr. Abba.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you can scroll down. We are on updating our new profile and also the new website.
New website.
All the thing, but it's still on the process.
On the process.
So we will soon to change the profile.
Profile.
Yeah.
I see. So they your profile like a company's website. Is this in multi languages, right?
Yeah, multi-language and more professional.
More professionals.
Yeah. And I will run the digital marketing and sell SEO lead on the new website.
On the new websites too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
IoTs.
So, yeah, one of our Korean partner right here.
It's an embedded project.
Embedded project. Yeah.
For the smart lock key.
Yeah.
But still, for creating IoT, we need an app to use it. Like
Yeah. And
Yeah.
now the Webflex.
Yeah,
Webflex
one
is
of
one of our biggest project in here.
Something we can power.
And the founder of Webflex is an Indian.
Indian.
Yeah, if you know the Webflex.
Yeah. Like,
And
okay.
WMS and OMS and TMS solution. And they have many clients in India also, but that project is outsourced to Vietnam.
Yeah.
Because I believe you are you're giving a good price as well as the work, handling the delivery work on the time deadlines too.
Yes, we are welcome all the partner and the friends from all around the world. You know about Vietnam. We have very good, very friendly, and also the Vietnamese government all friendly with the other countries.
I'm agree with that. I've been in Vietnam for last week, for a week, and I found that they are like more lovely, more kind, everywhere. So even on the work they are like more friendly. They are like not hesitate to say anything. They will ask you something. They help you. That's they do actually. They are so kind with their traditional as well.
Yeah, thank you for that, and I hope you enjoy.
Thank you.
Okay, so yeah, I think for now that's some our notable project, and at Avase, we updating our profile and new website. So stay tuned.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Clark.
Yeah.
So, okay, so we almost finished the profile. Let me ask you some little bit personal. Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Actually, I do not have many AMA interview before. Most of the interview I joined is with the university to sharing about how you do business with the young people.
Good job. Okay. But you are a CEO. What I know, everybody is like curious about the life of and the routine life of CEO. Can you tell me about like a little bit personal, like what is like daily life of become a CEO?
For becoming a CEO,
Yeah, but I want to know the personal, like how, what time you are usually wake up. Like I want to know about the life of CEO.
oh,
Yeah.
I knew in the social media, the other CEO or the other sick or level, they're saying about the working style, like wake up at 5 a.m. and sleeping in very late, right? I just agree with sleeping very late. I go to bed at 3 a.m.
Wow,
usually at
3
3
a.m.
a.m. And but I sleep to like 8 a.m. and wake up and start my working day like this stuff. But it is not good for my health right now.
I'm agree with that. But you do exercise, right, Mr. Abbas?
Exercise?
Yeah, you went to the gym. Are you doing any meditation?
Oh, yes. Right now I am a little bit of fat, but like 2 years ago, I doing gym too much every day.
Every day.
Every day, yes. But when the more leads come and you have to done more work in the company, I have no time for all of this. Every day when I waking up, I need to check my email and go into the meeting with my client, and my client will complain about my debt team is very bad and I need to change this. And also I need to going outside and catch up with our partner and go to some tech event. It's every day.
Oh, you do visit tech events too.
Yeah.
So
also tech
may I know
event.
like there's any upcoming events coming from the Vatek companies?
I think it's about the mobile day, Vietnamese mobile day, and a very big event with the Korea. So many IT Korea company will bring their product came to this event and integrate with the other company in Vietnam and all around the world. Yeah, it's maybe in the December of
In
this
December,
month. Yes,
okay.
every last month, every last week.
That's quite like it's like long journey like right for now.
Yes.
Yeah. So are you book lover?
Work lower?
Book lover. So are you love to read books?
Yes. Actually, I am not reading books too much.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you read any kind of this kind of books like quantum computing, blockchain?
Yeah, quantum computer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never read this before because most of the book I read is about the story and the
Yeah, you can look in it like.
when I was in the university, I am the kind of people do not like to read too much.
Likewise, I prefer to like if I want to learn anything, I will prefer to use YouTube or something, right? So it will be like yeah, visionary. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I believe like so far, like I want to know like what is your like future goal so far from now?
Future goal.
Yeah, for VTech companies.
We have many brands for Vatek in the future. Like right now, we have about 150 software engineer working for us,
Yeah.
and we want to grow the number to the 300 software engineer to work with Vatek, and not only in the IT outsourcing industrial. I want to expand Vatek in the digital transformation and the information system also. But this is really hard and need very long time to do this. And I can share. I can't say too much about this. But next year we will expand the office in Korea because right now we just have only a branch office in a co-working space in Korea.
Okay.
Yeah, and we will provide some staff from Vietnam come to Korea and
Working there.
Yeah.
Okay. So they have like huge plan for Korea.
Yes, we choose Korea is a market point. We are focusing about 100% on it.
On that. Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So, like, is there any challenging you are getting in the middle of your journey?
Yes, because of the IT outsourcing service, we need to find new client every time, and uh, at the moment I can see the market is low a bit and it's hard for get a new project.
New project.
Yes.
Yeah, correct.
So your cash flow is not too good, and sometimes the client is delayed in payment.
In payments.
Yeah, it is the hardest thing when you are running a business in outsourcing industry.
Oh, I see. So that is a challenging part for you in Vatek companies, right? And this is like any upcoming project which is like more into Web3 project or blockchain or AI.
Absolutely, yes. I have one of my old friend. Uh, One of my old friend is the CEO of a startup about the blockchain.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and we are still working with him, but because of he got raises a good amount of money, and he called me last week and told me that maybe in the October he will need about 10 people to work in his project. So it is the very upcoming project that I am looking for.
So one more question I'm gonna ask, like, which one is your favorite one?
Favorite one project?
Yeah.
I like about the e-learning project.
E-learning project. So mostly it's educated project, right? Education project.
I do not like about the blockchain a bit, but because I have not too much knowledge in this field, so I like about the education or fintech and supply chain management. Yeah, I like it the most.
So as you mentioned about like software engineers, so you have like a lot of around 150 plus employees.
Yes.
So what is expertise? Like what is your expertise on which language or which kind of project you can do? Like e-commerce project or like as you mentioned, like education project you are doing well.
Yes.
So what is your expertise in VTech company?
Now it's back about software engineer in my company.
In software engineering company, yeah. So what is like you are more good in the I don't know, like Python, maybe, I don't know, like creating the website or creating applications or creating the e-commerce. So you know, I want to know, like our audience want to know as well, like what is your like more expertise in this field? Which field you are more expert? I'm taking about
The expertise.
Yeah.
Our expertise.
So I think it's about wait a minute, maybe I will ask back for ý là kiểu mình đang chuyên về gì hả? Okay. We are not too much good in e-commerce, but we are very strong in e-learning and the logistic and supply chain management.
Oh, so you're more good in logistics stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So far, like, do you have any message for our user or any leader, or how if they want to start anything? So, do you have any message for our clients or users?
For me?
Yeah, any message. It can be anything, like.
Yes. For I think the message, because I am still young and we So the message for young people than me or someone who want to start their own business
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay. I think the most important thing when you want to start your own company or your career be successfully is hard working when you have nothing. Most of the young people right now they are asking too much about break time or anything. Well, but I remember when I was young and when we start Vatek, we are working like all the day because we have nothing. We just have the knowledge and we are young. We have time, so you need to working too much, not too much. You need to working well and learn everything when you are working for any company. Like from small company or big company, I don't care about this. But when you're working at a company, you need to learn everything.
Everything.
Yeah, everything of this company. Even you are a software engineer, but if you can learn about the marketing and sales a little bit, it will help you too much when you want to start your
Own
own
business. Yeah,
Yes.
correct. So it means you must open your eye everywhere. Like
Yes.
need to go with everything.
Any change to
Yeah,
your-
yeah.
Yes.
So what about Mr. Clark? What do you think about the like any message for the audience? Like
Yeah, so I can say he's like my big brother. He will teach me from nothing, he like say from the bottom to now. So I think my message to our viewer is be patient.
be patient.
Yeah. And as you say, when your life going through a very hard time, and if you want to quit or not, just be patient. Good things take time. And if
Correct.
they come too fast, they will fall down as fast as the thing they come.
Yeah, exactly, and I agree with you, Mr. Clark. So yeah, so we are going to we're gonna end this news right now, and everything like if you want to contact Mr. Abbas or Mr. Clark, the link will be description. Everything, even the Vatek company link will be there, so you can contact them directly. And if you have any good project in your mind or any idea in your mind, please contact them. They will help you how to animate your projects. Okay, so nice meeting you guys, and
Thank you,
we
Robert.
will see you around somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, guys, bye bye.
Bye bye.